Hello, today I want to draw a very famous logo in the world. For the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three: snap, snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, I think it is very difficult. Okay, let me start with this small circle. Okay, create a circle, select circle center radius and type for the radius. The radius is half of diameter. The diameter is 4, so the radius will be 2. Type 2 in the box. Left click to put the circle on the screen. Right click to escape. For the next circle again, the radius for the circle is 10. Okay, select circle center radius and type in the box for the radius 10. Okay, left click to put the circle on the screen, right click to escape. Now move the circle, select the circle, select move or copy tool, left click at the point, the left side, and bring the circle into the position like this. Select delete original, click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard to quit from the tool. Okay, next we need to draw this helping line. It is an angel line. Okay. Select horizontal and type the length. The length is 34. Select name point and left click at the center of our circle we have created before. Yes. Right click to escape. Now select the line, then select rotate tool. Rotate, left click at the center of the circle, left click at the reference point, okay, and rotate the line. Correct the angel. Yes, we got the angel 135. Okay, type negative 135 degree and select keep original, click OK. Okay, now we got the angel line. Okay, next I want to draw this circle. The circle diameter is 12. Okay, select circle center radius, type in the box 12. Oh, sorry. The diameter is 12, so the radius will be 6. Okay. Left click at the end of the line, right click to escape. Now select the circle again, select move or copy tool, left click at the reference point and intersect with the line. Okay, left click at the point, select delete original, click OK. Press escape on the keyboard. Okay, next, I want to draw this circle. Like this, a big circle. The radius is 16. Okay, to draw these circles, it is very difficult. Okay, we need vertical line. Select vertical and type the length maybe 100 and select snap point, start, left click at the center of our small circle. Okay, next draw the circle center radius and type the radius 16. Left click on the screen, right click to escape. Now move the circle, select the circle, select move or copy tool, left click at the left side of the circle and bring the circle into the end of our line. a vertical line. Select delete original, click OK, press C on the keyboard. Now the difficult part, to bring the circle to the position near from our drawing. Okay, we need tools. I think we need tangent CC or tangent circle to circle. Select tangent CC, left click for the first circle, left click for the second, left click for the first and for the second, right click to escape. Now select horizontal, select vertical line and type for the length is 200. Select snap point middle, left click at the intersect of the tangent lines. Okay, right click to escape. Now select the circle, select move for copy tool, left click at the reference point at the intersect and bring the circle into the position like this. Okay, could you see the position? Select delete original and click OK. Press escape on your keyboard. Now we can delete all this line. Okay, next draw the line. It is a circle again. We need to tangential 3 circles. Select the tool, left click for the first, the second and the third circle. Okay, bring the circle into the position like this. Okay, right click to escape. Now we got the image. Okay, next I should I think we should use divide tool for now. Select divide, left click at the big circle there, left click at the point, left click again at the circle and left click at the point. Okay. Right click to escape. Now delete unnecessary part. Okay, for the next I think we need to mirror this object, these shapes. Select the shapes, the circles, select mirror tool, okay, left click at the center of all small circle and left click strike vertical. Okay, select keep original, click OK and deactivate again restrict vertical. Yes, we got the shape. Okay, for the next I want to draw this arch. It is a circle. The radius for the circle is 26. Okay, select circle, tangential to circles with radius. Left click for first, left click for the second. Type the radius. Okay, the radius is 26. Okay, left click. Okay, right click to escape. Now use divide tool again. Select divide, left click at the circle. Wow, it is a problem. Okay, if we have a problem with divide tool, I think we should use a trick. Okay, change the middle points into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could you see the 4? Yes, 4. Okay, and then select 2 points tool. We will draw line manually. Okay, left click search the point. Okay, I got the point. Good to see. Okay, and search the point for the next circle. Okay, right click to escape, right click again, and change the middle points into 1 again, and then select trim tool, left click at the line, and left click at the circle. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Now we got the shape. Okay, for the next at the bottom side. Okay, select circle tangentials to circles with radius. Type for the radius. Where is the radius? Is 16. Left click for the fourth and second circle. Bring the circle into the position. Okay, right click to escape. Try to use divide tool. Select divide. Left click at the circle. Left click at the point. Left click again at the circle. Left click at the point. Right click to escape. Select unnecessary part and delete. Okay. Okay. For the next. Okay, we got. We got this angel line. Okay, I think we got the point. Okay, select circle center with radius and type the radius 16. Yes, 16. Left click at the point. Yeah, right click to escape. Now I think I saw. Okay. Oh, yeah. We need to draw this this line. It is 90 degree from this point. Okay. Select angle line tool. Oh, select relative angle. Type for the angles, the angle 90, and for the length maybe yes 100. Okay, and left click at the line. Okay, left click to put the line, right click to escape. Now we got the line, and where is the center point? Okay, oh, I think we should copy this circle. Select the circle, select move for copy tool, left click. Okay, select the left click at the reference point. Okay, at the line, and left click at the target point. Okay, select keep original, click OK. Yes, we got the circle. Okay, for the next to know where is the point. Yes, I think it is the point. Okay, so select the line we have created before. Select move or copy tool, left click at the point, maybe there, left click at the target point. Yes. Okay, select keep original, click OK. Press a C on the keyboard, and now select the circle. Okay, the circle is radius is 16, same with the circle you have created before. Select the circle, select move or copy tool, and left click at this circle, this point maybe. Okay, and left click target point. Okay, select keep original, click OK. Yes, I got. Okay, now time to delete unnecessary lines. Okay, I think we should delete this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, to delete this one, we should use divide tool, select divide, left click at the circle, the point, the circle, the point, right click to escape. Now delete the unnecessary part. Okay, repeat the method, select divide tool, left click, the point, left click again the circle and the point. Okay, right click to escape, delete the unnecessary part. Okay, for the next, I think we should delete this one, then the lines. Okay, this line also. Okay, select divide tool again, divide, it's divide tool, left click at the circle, the point, the circle, the point again, the circle, the point again, the circle, the point, right click to escape, select unnecessary parts and delete. Okay, select again divide tool, left click at the circle, the point, the circle, the point, left click at the circle, the point, at the circle and the point, right click to escape, select unnecessary parts and delete. Okay, the next touch. Okay, select again divide tool, left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, the point. Now select the arch and the point, the arch again and the point, right click to escape. Now select unnecessary part. Okay. Okay, yes, I think our job has done. For today, thank you very much for your attention in this video. I hope you enjoy our video and can learn something from our video in LibreCAD tutorial channel. Thank you very much, and I hope you can subscribe to our channel to support us to develop. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.